Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Feigentee, which is good for hoarse voice. Ingredients we need are 9 dried figs, 7 dates, 30 jujubes, and 3 tablespoons of raisins, and also a liter of boiling water. Now all we need to do is to put all ingredients in a teapot. Okay, let it steep for 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, our tea is now ready. It tastes awesome. It's so healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.